Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, NaturallyAds on YouTube. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve these spring braids. So once again using spring twist hair to do braids. This time I added some feeding braids at the side. So I used definition, my leftover definition braid from years and years ago. I cut it into like little short pieces and did some feeding braids here and then ended the braid off with the spring twist hair. I did use 2 packets, the whole packet basically, and then I did use less for some of the braids because I was a bit scared that it was going to run out, and it is good that I did that because if I didn't then I would have run out of hair. But yes, so make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and turn on that bell to be notified every single time I upload, which is every Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. So without further ado, I'm going to let you guys go ahead and watch the video. So yeah, let's just get started. Please excuse my crazy lookingness, but my hair section, so at the back is still wet. I just blow dry the front, sort of. This bit is wet, but this bit is like properly blow dried because I'll be doing cane rows on this side. And if you can see, my ends are blunt because after I braided it I just trimmed my ends a little bit because to keep this hair growth I have to keep cutting my hair. So yeah, anyway, so the hair that I will be using, if I have not mentioned it already in the introduction, is the Beyond Beauty Spring Twist hair. As you can see, this is the 1B 350 hair. Yeah, so I have 2 packets of this Beyond Beauty hair. Hopefully that's enough. If it's not, I guess we'll find out. And then I'm going to be using, well, I don't know exactly what I'm going to be doing on this side of my hair. So I will not be doing that bit on camera because I do want to like do cane rows on the side. And I don't know exactly if I'm going to feed in hair or use another type of hair. So that's going to be off camera so I can actually do it properly. So I'm just going to show you a few rows of me doing my braids, my spring braids. Here they go again on this side. So I think I'm going to be doing box parts today. I need a hairband. So wish me luck because I don't like to part on camera. Yeah, I think I'm going to be doing box parts today, I think, but let's just see how that actually goes. So I'm going to take out my braid. See my gypsy girl, she's something to myself. She be mad in my place. Okay, so parting off. I don't like this. I already don't like parting the right side of my head on a normal day, and now it's on camera, so it's even harder. She wants a wonder, but man, na na na. This is as straight as I'm going to get it, to be honest with you. So just clip this bit away. So as you can see, it's not fully dry, but it's dry enough, especially at the roots it's dry. And then I think this is going to be 2 sections, so I'll just split that in half. Simple as that. And then clip them away. I'm not going to be using any jam on my hair because, or anything on my hair, because the one that I currently have, I don't think my hair likes it that much. So yeah, I'm going to be doing the knotless method again for this hairstyle for my spring braids, but I'll be using 1 whole strand this time instead of 2/3 of a strand like I used last time. So I'm going to pull the hair, puff it out, and then split this 1 strand into 3 equal-ish parts. 1, 2, so 1, 2, and 3. So let's see which one is the biggest one. It's a bit dark. I'm gonna, much better. Okay, so then I'm going to do this one first at the back. I like to put the first strand in my mouth because I don't know, it's just easier access. So it's in my mouth, but it's not in my mouth, it's just between my lips like this. So I'm going to start. I'm just going to show you. I don't think I'm going to talk through it. Well, I won't be able to. Won't be able to talk through it, but she be mad in my place. She looking at my eye harder. She be moving so quick.
You never see her coming.
She wants to wonder.
She had me here. That's what me say.
She's like the baddest girl me I ever seen. Something like a queen. She your number one lover, hot and cold. You be begging her, please, no. If you tell me on, I'll take you on, then I'll put you on, girl.
Okay, so I fed in all 3 strands. I hope you could see that because I couldn't see what you could see. And then I'm just going to continue braiding. I'm going to say I'll be braiding loosely, but making sure that my hair is tucked away nicely at the same time. To braid all the way down.
See my gypsy girl, she's something to myself. She be mad in my place, she looking at my eye order. She be moving so quick, you never see her coming. She had me here, that's what me say.
Okay, so for these braids, these are much longer than last time, but I didn't twist the ends. I think I'm just going to twirl them in my finger. Maybe I'm going to use twisting up gel. Put it on it and then twirl it in my finger for the curl to form. And obviously I'm going to cut off the dead end bits. And here is the first braid. It's much longer than last time, I don't know why though. But yeah, so here's the first braid. And I'm going to continue to do my braids. Sorry if you heard my stomach. So I pulled it to separate it and separate into 3. I'm stupidly starting at 4:50 in the evening because I've been lazy all day. So I'm going to be doing this all night, maybe a bit of tomorrow. So yeah.
See my gypsy girl, she's something to myself. She be mad in my place, she looking at my eye order. She be moving so quick, you never see her coming.
She wants to wonder.
She had me here,
Yeah.
that's what me say.
She wants to wonder, one get high grade. From a distance, baby, I'm going insane. Red Cross, baby, come to my aid. Shorty said he busted my brain like a migraine. Your gain, my gain, your loss, my pain. Slow down the way you go down.
Also, I'm starting from the front because I don't see myself finishing this anytime soon, and I have to go somewhere later. So I'm guessing by the time it's time for me to go out, the front will be done, so I can just tie my hair up. So yeah, if you do your own hair, or someone like a family member's do your hair and you have to go out or whatever, make sure you always start at the front first, so if anything does come up or you need to go anywhere, you can just quickly tie your hair up and then it'll look like it's all done. Or I do the front and then I do the back and then I do the middle loss. There's been many times I've gone to work and most of my hair is not done and no one can tell. Okay, this ends of this hair are really scraggly, so I don't know, maybe I might have to twist it after all. Didn't want to, have to. This one is even longer than the first one. I don't know why it's so long. When I twist it, it's not this long, but that's the first 2 braids. I'm going to make another row.
Now she's moving on.
See my gypsy girl, she's something to myself. She be mad in my place, she looking at my eye order. She be moving so quick, you never see her coming. She had me here, that's what me say. See my gypsy girl, she's something to myself. She be mad in my place, she looking at my eye order. She be moving so quick, you never see her coming.
She wants to wonder.
She had me here, that's what me say. She wants to wonder. Bad man, Na na na.
Kiki,
Young buds,
buds, baby.
I see. VPNs. Kill.
K to the E to the K.
Na na na.
Kiki.
But see me see every time I want to do. Tell me see the time when you gotta get me She wants see my gypsy girl. She's something to myself.
She wants to wind her.
She be minding on my place. She looking at my eye order.
He wants to wind her.
She be moving so quick. You never see her coming.
She wants to wind her.
She had me heaven.
Yeah.
That's what me say.
She wants to wonder, want get high grade. From a distance, baby, I'm going insane. Red Cross, baby, come to my aid. Shorty said he busted my brain like a migraine. Your gain, my gain, your loss, my pain. Slow down, the way you go down. You know now me they run the whole town. King of the city, cause I wear that gold crown. So give it up for bad man, better than Batman. I didn't impress these dogs and kill these cats, man. Rats, man, these other guys are rats, man. When I get on stage, all they do is clap, man. So make you join me in my Bugatti. Join me in my Bugatti. Only you in my Bugatti. Only you in my Bugatti.
See my gypsy girl. She's something to myself.
She wants to wind her.
She be minding on my place. She looking at my eye order.
He wants to wind her.
She be moving so quick. You never see her coming.
She wants to wind her.
She had me heaven. That's what me say.
She's like the baddest girl me I ever seen. Something like a queen. She your number one lover, hot and cold. You be begging her, please, no. If you tell me on, I'll take you on, then I'll put you on, girl. Feel me now, the thing that you want, thing I got it all, girl. See me falling, fall from my sky. Panties are dropping, throwing the towel. She's a professional. I think I'm lost in the love life. We came strong together. She got a strong desire. Up to the morning after. Now she's moving on.
See my gypsy girl. She's something to myself.
She wants to wind her.
She be minding on my place. She looking at my eye order.
He wants to wind her.
She be moving so quick. You never see her coming.
She wants to wind her.
She had me heaven. That's what me say.
She wants to wind her.
See my gypsy girl. She's something to myself.
She wants to wind her.
She be minding on my place. She looking at my eye order.
He wants to wind her.
She be moving so quick. You never see her coming.
She wants to wind her.
She had me heaven. That's what me say. She wants a wonder. Bad man. Na na na.
Kiki,
Young buds,
buds, baby.
I see. VPNs.
Okay, so that's all I'm gonna do on camera because it just takes longer. I'm not being able to see. But these are the braids. I wish you could see. It's down to like my bra strap length. So if you saw last time's video, you know it's much longer. Probably will end up cutting the ends or something. I want to wait until I have this whole section done before I start doing anything to here, just so I can see, make sure they're all like the same length and stuff. But yeah, anyways, I will see you when I am almost done. Okay, so as you can see, my hair is now done. You can see by my clothing that is a completely different day. It's only the next day though. Yeah, so I didn't finish my hair yesterday because I had to go out. So that's why I started at the front. So I did finish the front and then just tied my hair back. And then when I got back, I was just like, I don't really want to finish this. So then I finished it today. So I'm sorry, I can't tell you how long it took. I don't think it took that long because I didn't do more than 2 hours today. And I started at 4 yesterday. I stopped around 6:30, 6:40, and then I did 2 hours today. So You guys do the maths because I don't remember what I said. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Comment down below what you thought of this hairstyle and if you would try it out yourself. And I shall see you in the next video. Bye.
She wants to wander. She's like the baddest girl me I ever seen. Something like a queen. She your #1 lover, hot and cold. You be begging her, please, no. If you tell me on, I'll take you on, then I'll put you on, girl, girl. Feel me now.